Are you guys ready to go cut down your first Christmas tree? Yeah! This is the outfit you need to get from Bali because I wear this under my snow bibs. This is what I wear under it, period. Last week, Dad went and got a permit so that we can go cut down a Christmas tree.
You ready for this?
First for everything!
How are you in here?
She didn't give us a choice. She was shaking so hard. She ran out of the house. She's like, I am coming. Everybody is going to take 5 sprays of Colloidal Silver and pass it around.
Take a hit.
This is so good for you. It will keep you from getting sick. We did this all last year. You can get it on Amazon. I'll link it in the description below.
Houses, they're not actually like on top of water, like half of it's underwater, and they get mud so then they can put sticks, and then they have a warm place, and there's like this hole so then they can get in.
Wow. There is no trail, so we're just kind of walking. It's 20 degrees out here. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Might think the weather's kinda cold, but you know you've got a hand to hold. Come along out and play. What a wonderful day.
Come on, Link.
Let's come along out and play. What a wonderful day.
This is more of a hike than I thought it was going to be. Wow. Keep going. Okay, that's a good looking tree. What do we think? Couldn't we just get the tree anywhere since like nobody would really know? That's what Olivia asked in the car, and I think that that has a really good answer, and this is what we talked about in the car.
There's a difference between honesty and integrity. Honesty is being honest and truthful to somebody's face, but integrity is doing the right thing when no one's around. Integrity is being honest with yourself. You know that you were being truthful, you were doing things you were supposed to. Even when no one's watching, you're being honest with yourself. There are a bunch of rules when it comes to getting a Christmas tree. There's a certain species you can get, there's certain height, you have to be so far off the road, you have to be in certain forest boundaries for your permit.
Oh! Are you okay? Where are your gloves? Lincoln, where did you put your gloves down on the ground? Put them on and then go follow Dad. We really like this tree, but Olivia walked down a little further and found an even better one. Are those bear prints? Ow.
Look, Dad, we found bear prints.
Their dog, no, I don't think a dog is gonna be that big. Okay. Maybe he's right, maybe they're dog prints. The terrain is not what I was thinking it was going to be. Woo!
Handish, whatever that's called.
Olivia, you found our winning tree. This is our tree. She's it. She's a beaut. I want to give you guys a little perspective on who we are giving this tree to. We found a single mom that is getting over COVID. that is dealing with other medical bills, that is barely making ends meet, and she didn't have any money for a Christmas tree this year. So last night at 11:30, I was texting with my friend Jenny, and she helped me find this lady, and now we knew exactly who we were bringing this tree to. What would be the chances that they don't have... I think their Christmas decorations got either stolen or lost. So they don't even have their own decorations. What? Yeah, sad. So we're gonna put lights on it for her. You think that'll be fun?
Yeah.
Okay, let's chop this tree down. But first, I think we should say a prayer. We're so thankful that we were able to talk with Jenny and that she was able to help us find someone that could really use a Christmas tree. We're thankful for our YouTube channel that allows us to do these really wonderful things.
Now you ready?
Yeah, this is like sexy as gotta make sure there's proof that I carried this heavy chainsaw back and vlogged.
Honey, see all that like brown stuff? It's the mud that holds all the...
Can you believe those beavers made that?
Yeah.
And you just learned all about the beavers. It's so beautiful! Joel, I love you in that fur and that hat. I really do. You look pretty. Okay, Joel's great and loving back.
The forecast ain't clear, so will you please light my way and lead this old man's sleigh? I said, Rudolph, my friend, once more will you lend your red nose, or heaven knows how this sleigh ride will end. Rudolph, my man, you're the only one.
Hot chocolate is still so hot. Oh, it smells so good. I put extra cocoa in it so it would be like...
Oh, hey, bud, you're gonna lose that bad boy. That's clever.
It's a wonderful idea.
Yeah, possibly.
Okay, we all piled in just to get out of these backwoods roads. I feel like finding the perfect tree was our greatest triumph. We had the perfect campfire. I feel like this is a success.
It's a fun morning. Everybody
Kids are
smells
silent
good
in
now.
the back. Yeah, we all smell like campfire.
There's dirt in the hot chocolate.
Well, that happens.
Well, stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog where we deliver the tree. That's going to be the greatest part. Stay tuned, give the video a thumbs up, and
If you have any more ideas for Vlogmas, just let us know. Comment
Yeah.
down below what you're liking seeing, what you want to see.
okay, love you guys. Bye.
Cody, for the third time. So there's a difference between honesty, or not, sorry. Honesty is, there's a difference between, even when it didn't matter.
And look, it's a moose. It's a moose. Woo!
You okay? Give you what?
Mom,
And is that okay? What should I say? So
we're
we
not gonna have Christmas lights.
wait, Joel! Joel! You see those tree stumps, Lincoln? Who do you think knocked those trees down?
Beavers. You don't want to be them.
I'm sorry.
Yes, we're not filming that clip. I'll do it again because I thought it was pretty. Okay, first of all, let me take your picture because holy cow. That's what, 25 minutes outside, so